This is not real. It's just a dream. Please, wake up.
Hello, welcome to my channel called Dogs and Walks. Come with me as I visit all kinds of San Diego places. On today's walk, I went to Mission Beach on a chilly November morning while walking my canine companion named Louie. Located just minutes from downtown is San Diego's water wonderland known as Mission Bay Park. The 4,600-acre aquatic playground is the largest of its kind in the world, surrounded by 27 miles of meandering shoreline with a variety of waterways and inlets to explore. Mission Bay is bordered by several beach communities, each with their own distinct vibe. You will quickly discover that Mission Beach is a bustling bay area that is action-packed from sunup to sundown. Mission Beach is San Diego's lively take on the classic boardwalk beach town with nearly 2 miles of oceanfront boardwalk with numerous rental shops and Belmont Park, a boardwalk amusement park featuring the Giant Dipper roller coaster originally built in 1925. There are plenty of bars in Mission Beach and a hot nightlife scene for young adults and the young at heart. There are also a host of activities for the whole family to enjoy, including biking, beach volleyball, boogie boarding, surfing, whale watching, sport fishing, and scuba diving. For more info on Mission Beach, you can simply visit sandiego.org. Now, here are 10 things to know about Mission Beach in San Diego. Number 1. While technically illegal, lifeguards and police usually don't enforce the ban on thaw bikinis. Number 2. Alcohol is not permitted on the beach or boardwalk. Number 3. Fires are only allowed in the city-provided fire pits, and all flames must be extinguished between midnight and 5 a.m. Number 4. A free parking is available at West Mission Bay Drive and Mission Boulevard, and street parking is available along Mission Boulevard. Number 5. The boardwalk is a great place to take a stroll and is a popular spot for roller skating and skateboarding. Number 6. Right by the beach is Belmont Park, a cute little amusement park with an old-fashioned wooden roller coaster and souvenir shops. Number 7. Mission Bay, which houses Mission Beach, is almost entirely man-made, with 25 million cubic yards of sand and silt dredged to create the park's landforms. Number 8. Mission Beach is one of 9 beaches in San Diego with permanent lifeguard stations. Number 9. Mission Beach is a wonderful place to watch a sunset. And finally, number 10. Some say they've seen dolphins every morning while staying on the boardwalk. That's all for now, but stay tuned for my next San Diego adventure. You never know where I'm going to show up next. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, then please leave a comment. Thank you for watching Dogs and Walks.